Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about skincare. I know I talk a lot about makeup and all that stuff, but I have been really thankful and blessed that I've been sent a lot of skincare over the past year or so, like lots. And I really wanted to share the skincare that I've been using. Here and there, I kind of flip-flop, but the skincare that is always in my rotation. So if you guys want to know what's that all about, then please keep on watching. So first things first comes from gloves in a bottle. I received this recently and I was a little bit skeptical because I was like, what is this? I have no idea. They're the same. Basically one is in a larger bottle, which is 237 milliliters, 8 fluid ounces, and the other one is 100 milliliters, 3.4 fluid ounces. So you get like a travel and then the one for home. You guys, I tried this out on my hands and I'm not joking. I'm probably gonna try these on my feet, seriously. This stuff is so amazing. It's not greasy, it lasts a very long time, and thank you so much for sending this to me, I really do appreciate it. But yeah, like honestly, I feel like it kind of, I mean, I've never tried any other kind of hand lotion. I have tried a few, but this hand lotion by far beats everything hands down. Like when I say this stuff is amazing, this stuff is amazing. You guys need to try it. I will link it down below for you guys to try it. Thank you so much. And this stuff is amazing. The next product comes from Fruits and Passions. You guys, I love Fruits and Passions. I love them since the day that I was introduced to them. And this stuff is in pink coconut, and you guys, this all over body butter. So we were talking about hands, now we're talking about all over body butter. And I love this because it also comes with shower gel, which shower gel is a must because you want to smell good because summer's here, let's be honest. We have a foaming milk bath as well. So to get your, you know, when you want to be extra bougie at night, you know what I mean? This is why I fell in love with it before, because I had the hand soap, and you get the hand soap so you can wash your hands and still smell good and everything. And it's very inexpensive as well. You have the body mist, which is what I'm going to be using all summer. And then of course a hand cream, a travel size to put in your cute purse. I love it. This whole line is bomb.com. And again, I'm just so thankful that they continue sending me stuff because I love Fruits and Passion. I will not stop talking about Fruits and Passions for my whole life. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, if you guys can get your hands on the pink coconut, you are laughing. This is gonna be the smell of the summer. I'm calling it. So the next product comes from the Gruff Stuff. Gruff Stuff, what is this? So this company reached out to me and they were gonna send me stuff, and I was like super blown away. I was very excited because I didn't know what to expect. And so when I tried it out, they have the spray on body lotion, the spray on moisturizer, and the spray on, or the eye balm. And so I have been using the body lotion and the spray on moisturizer, like for your face. The eye balm, I feel like I forget about this all the time. Not that in a bad way, I just forget. And then when I remember, I'm like, oh, Leslie, you gotta remember this. So then I put it on. But I love the whole line. It is really good. They're vegan and the smell is pretty incredible. I felt like it hydrated, it did what it needed to do. And it's nice. It's not overpowering, really nice smell. And again, I'll link it down below for you guys to try, where you guys can find it, and that's about it. So now we're moving on to skincare. Products that got sent to me was Belif. You guys, if you guys don't have this, you need to try it. This is actually available at Costco. Okay, so that just tells you you need to have this in your life, okay? It's like you go to Costco for one thing and then you're like, hey. But anyways, the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser, the smell is incredible. It works so amazing. I love this. I think I've gone through like 3 tubes of these already. Like, it's insane. The True Cream Aqua Bomb is amazing. I love using this. I love that it comes in a squeezy tube. So this is perfect for traveling. I mean, you can travel with the little guy as well. This is what I got first, and I feel like I found this at Costco, but still, I love these so much. Belif actually came out with a moisturizing balm, and then they also came out with an Aqua Bomb sleeping mask. So they kind of like evolved on the whole gel cream, like overnight mask kind of thing. And you guys, this stuff is amazing. I love this stuff. This, I would honestly say, really works well. This is the perfect way if you're just wanting to clear your face right away, put on the moisture, put on the cream, and just get everything. It's like the perfect way if you're like, you know, super tired, or it's like a night out and you're trying to clean your face. Like, this is the perfect stuff for you guys. I love it so, so much. And again, just super thankful. Just love this skincare. Like, I don't ever think I will never not talk about how amazing it is. So yeah. So the next brand comes from Skin Plus Stone. I like to say Skin and Stone, but I feel like it's Skin Plus Stone. But anyways, so they came out with a trio, which this trio is bomb.com, rich body butter. And when this is rich, okay? When it says rich, it means rich. Like, the smell is impeccable. She makes it herself. Her name is Sabrina. She makes it all herself. And literally, like, this stuff goes a long way. Like, a little bit goes a long way, and you're covered from head to toe. If you're like me, this is perfect for makeup artists or people who wear a lot of makeup almost every day, or even eyelash glue. This stuff is amazing to take off glue, makeup that has been on. It's an oil based, and you guys, like, this is basically the products is when you have time. So if you have time, use this, I swear. So Skin and Stone Ritual Silky Cleansing Oil literally clarifies and clears your skin. And then this comes in the Alternative Retinol Alternative Facial Oil. This is what you put on when you're ready to go to bed. You can sleep in it. Like, it's the perfect oil. It sinks in so nicely, feels so smooth to skin. It is so lovely, and I highly recommend it for you guys to try. And again, I will link it down below, and tell Sabrina I say hi. So the next product comes from, I actually did a video of this. I think I'll leave it up here for you guys to watch. I did an unboxing, and I did do a try out or a demo kind of review. And it's from Clayton Shagal, you guys. Their products, first of all, Montreal. I'm going there very, very soon. I'm so excited. But anyways, they're from Montreal, and they are luxurious creams, face washes, a collagen gel, like, they are luxurious for an affordable price. Like, I feel like they should be a little bit more expensive with how amazing they perform. That's just me though, but I love the price point. Like, I mean, skincare is going to be expensive because it is an investment, but I just love this stuff so much. This is the Milk Cleanser, and this stuff is amazing. They actually have puffs so you can cleanse your face with, which is so, so cute. Like, honestly, like the cutest like ever. I'm like dying. I also love the serum that they own. This stuff is one of my faves. Again, I feel like you just put this on and you're done. Like, it's kind of like the lazy way, because it sinks in, it does the job, you mix it in and it's done. You don't have to think about it. Like, I love skincare that's not like you have to like work it and rub it and like do a bunch of things to it. They also have an array of little tubs, which I love. These guys are so glamorous. Like, oh my gosh, put these on your vanity, gorge. Basically, they carry an array for dry skin, sensitive, I feel like acne prone. Like, there's a bunch of different types of skin types. I have the sensitive one because my skin is very sensitive. Here I have the Sensiderm, which is the bronze kind of thing. Super gorge, creamy, 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 and rich. One of my favorites that I gravitate to a lot is the Elastin Gel Plus In-Depth Moisturizer. That is when I really want to hydrate my skin and put it to the test, basically do a lot with it. And then of course I have the Collagen Gel, and then I have the Collagen Gel Plus. I go in and out with this one. They're both in a gray kind of tube, but I love it like so much. Like, I love using these every so often. Like, I try not to mix too much, but I use the skincare with how much makeup I'm using, or how, if I'm feeling like, you know, a little tired or I want to pick me up, that's exactly what I'm using. And I love this brand. Again, I will leave them linked down below. All these products definitely need this cleanser in your life. It is bomb.com. Tell Clayton Shagal I say hi. Okay, thanks. And last but not least is one of my faves. So when you're putting your skincare and whatever, my favorite thing to do is face masks. Yay! So we have from Teami. If you guys don't know or follow me on Instagram, you guys should follow me on Instagram. The green tea blend detox mask is the perfect one when you're trying to just take away the impurities. The green one is for that. I also have the beauty mask. It's Restorative Clay Facial. This one is blue. Feels really clear and clean. Like I just feel like your face just needs a little boost. And then of course, this one is amazing. Overnight sleep mask. Yes, I broke it. I dropped it as I was trying to bring this up here for you guys. It is the overnight sleep mask. It's hydration treatment. This stuff I love. This smell is incredible. I love things when they smell good because if they don't, I want nothing to do with it. And then the best part with Teami is if you guys use code Leslie20, you guys get 20% off. So make sure you guys use that code. You help me out. You help them out. It is a commission code. So please try it out. I would love for you guys to try it out, especially with Teami. Their products are bomb.com, and it doesn't even just last on skincare. I'm pretty sure they have an array of stuff that you can try. Definitely go check them out. Again, using Leslie20. That's pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys liked all the products that I showed, but I really wanted to share a skincare video. I really wanted to share my skincare favorites and why I love them. And each of them do an each kind of thing. And I love what each one does. I feel like it's such a good group and I really wanted to share with you guys. So that's it. I'm rambling now and that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.